Here are the top 3 benefits of a facial peel. This is Pam. She's on day 3 of her peel. She's here at work, thankfully. And you can see that her skin is peeling off reliably, evenly, and a nice kind of thin manner. Number 1 benefit is that it reduces hyperpigmentation spots. So a lot of freckles or sun damage disappear with the appropriate peel. Number 2, a lot of fine line wrinkles go away. Okay, so things like this you can see are exaggerated when she's actually peeling, but when she's done peeling, that's gonna go away. And number 3, it's actually great for removing a lot of precancerous lesions, especially with the TCA peels or the stronger peels.
Here at Barrett Plastic Surgery, we actually carry 2 different types of peels. We have the ZO 3-step peel from Obagi, and we have the Cosmetic peel from Esthétique. So what are the difference between the 2? ZO 3-step is mainly for people who are, I want to refresh my skin, I have some little minor pigment issues, or I just want to refresh and get rid of like dull, dead skin. The downtime for that one is about 3 to 5 days. You'll be peeling on the 3rd day. You'll be red for the first 24, but it's not as intense as the Cosmetic peel. So Cosmetic peel is actually for people who have melasma or what you call hormonal pigmentation. So it's a little bit more deeper, more intense, and more longer duration for peeling. It takes about a month or so until all the peeling is done. And we apply the paste, it's a creamy paste like peanut butter, in office because it's medical grade. Now, how long you keep the peel depends on the provider. It could be 6 hours, 10 hours, or 12 hours, depending on how the grade of the pigmentation is. But gives you the best results, and both peels actually give you a glowing skin after.